Hello, everybody, and thank you for coming to the channel. Okay, peace and blessings to you all. But we just had to talk just a little bit. Take a little bit of your time to just gloss over this situation with Tasha K and Cardi B. And Cardi B is asking the judge to swiftly and professionally to get her money. She won the judgment in January, so she don't understand why there's laws out here for this woman, which is Tasha K, to continuously try to make her look stupid in the public eye and to tell everyone verbally or who she can get to talk to or listen to her outcry. She ain't got the $4 million. She ain't gonna try to pay the $4 million. Best of luck to Cardi B. And to me, that's just like a slap in the face to the judicial system and the judge when he had his ruling on who won that particular day. Okay? So I'm not really a legal eagle or whatever, but I just found it very disheartening if you won your case, but the person in question still refused to pay you because she wants to appeal the decision of what the first judge had said and awarded her with a fair jury that was both of their peers still sided with Cardi B. The evidence was overwhelmingly distributed and discussed in the trial proceedings. But it seems like Tasha K just throwing everything to the wind saying, I ain't got it. And I'm going to keep on my platform telling people I ain't got it, but I'm gonna still be taking all these luxurious trips around the world, putting my kids in private school and this, that, and the third, and I'm gonna still be living and be happy over here. So, like I said, it seems like it's a slap in the face for a judge to rule that you won your case, and then you got somebody that lost the case is saying they ain't gonna pay. They ain't gonna pay, they ain't gonna pay, they ain't got it. And then turn around in the same breath saying, I got it, I just ain't gonna give it to you. So that this is a very strange case indeed. Very strange case indeed. But we had got a little article that we're going to read some of it, not all of it, because half of the time it is refurbished stuff, and we don't really need to keep rehashing and bringing up what we know as the truth from what the judge and the jury decided. But we have it from complex.com. Journalist by the name of Joshua Espinoza wrote it up for us, and he titled it Tasha K ordered to pay Cardi B $4 million or secure funding for full amount. Okay. Woo! She just keep taking trips out there telling everybody where she at and this, that, and the third, and she has no intention. She would drag it out, drag it out, drag it out until she has no more appeal time. And I'm like, is she just dragging this out so she can secure funding for what she know is going to be coming around the corner? Uh, like, what, she be coming around the mountain when she come. She be coming around the mountain. She be coming around the mountain. She be coming around the mountain when she come. Okay, and we can go on and sing that nursery rhyme till we blue in the face. But I just don't understand why the jury and the judicial system is failing us totally and entirely in this situation. Because if the judge ruled that you owe, you should be having to have to pay. Maybe not all at once, but pay something to the debt that's being owed on a monthly basis, annual basis, or quarterly basis. And, she making so much money out there, meaning Tasha K, she should be able to make those payments until a judge can decide. Because I'm not Cardi, but Tasha K did say she was appealing. But while you appealing, it still seems to me that would be fair is for you to still be making some type of payment. But I don't know. I don't know anything really about the law, but somehow it just don't feel and seem right that you have wasted your time, effort, and money to secure a jury and a judge to witness over everything and find that you were completely right in taking up the suit against Tasha K. But yet, there's no justice still being served because you ain't getting nothing in your bank account or your charity you want to donate the money to, because we all know Cardi B didn't really need the money. But it's the principle of the thing that I believe we're getting at, because she did make up some very foul things about Cardi B that was definitely, you know, in the avenue of saying, talking about drug use, talking about sexual acts, talking about STDs and all that. And all of it was found to be untrue. Now, some people would say she just paid people off, meaning Cardi B, to lie and tamper with stuff of that nature. But, I mean, I don't think Cardi B would want to put herself in that type of situation, because then she would be looking at going to jail, or facing some type of litigation against her. But like I said, everything was founded that Tasha K was wrong in what she was doing, what she was saying, and what she was believing out there. And she was pretty much told she needed to make good on this case that the judge decided against her, and that she should be making or trying to pull up the $4 million, so she can pay baby girl Cardi B. But we go on into the article that this young gentleman wrote up for us, and he said in January, a jury decided or had sided with Cardi and found Tasha K liable for defamation, invasion of privacy, and intentionally infliction of emotional distress. The 30-year-old rapper was ultimately awarded more than 2.5 million damages and an additional 1.3 million in legal fees. However, Tasha K is now trying to pause the judgment while she appeals the verdict. She argued that the jury trial was very lopsided and accused the court of withholding details from the jury. Judge William M. Ray has since ordered Tasha K to pay Cardi the $4 million, but said he would consider a pause if she was able to secure a supersedis bond that would cover the full amount. This type of bond, aka defendant's appeal bond, is typically issued by a private lender. It also petitions to delay paying of judgment during the appeal process. With Tasha K's efforts are unsuccessful and her appeal is denied, the secured bond will be overturned to Cardi B. This is more than a hypothetical concern in this case. Cardi's attorney legal team wrote Friday. During the litigation, Kibi bragged publicly that she had taken steps to insulate herself from a judgment. And there have been recent online reports that Kibi has moved from Georgia to avoid enforcement of the judgment. Now, my thing is, I don't care where you go. You can go to Timbuktu. It's still going to be the same. You owe Cardi B her money, okay? And like I said, Tasha K is still going to have her followers, because a lot of people, it's a shame to say, think and move like Tasha K. And some of them are just there for the drama. But I had to stop watching her a long time ago, because she was just saying and doing a lot of things that just wasn't right. It didn't feel right. It didn't seem right. It didn't look right. But she still had her followers nonetheless. Hold on one second. Ooh, I had spilled some water on my table, y'all. But anyway, yeah, it just seems so unfair that Cardi can't get her money. And for me, I don't even really think it's about the money. Uh, well, it's probably about the money when she want to pay her attorneys back. Because they showed probably, hitting her hard that she had to pay out for this frivolous lawsuit that that Tasha K has put her in. So, saying that, to say this, I don't understand why for people, to me, it seems like that's in the lower bracket of earning money, they get to pay all they did starting the next month, making up payment arrangements and all that stuff. But then when you got people that are well off, they feel that they can secure or make you they will file so many different appeals where they would never see the day of paying that person's back for whatever they did to them. And the jury and the judge sided with that person uh, to receive their money for all the actions or the misdeeds the person had willfully put on them. So I don't know, guys. Just seemed like I don't know, a messed up world we live in. But it is what it is. We do what we do. And that's all I really have for this video, guys. Get down in those comments and let me know how y'all felt about Tasha K moving to another state to avoid litigation of paying that money she owes. But like I said, Cardi can go on back to wherever she was at. She can hire people to serve her, I guess, in order to expeditiously pay her. She can have people in every state. She said, or here that Tasha K is visiting. Because these private investigators, they'll show up out of anywhere, and serve that paper to you and stuff of that nature. But them rich folk problem. You know what I'm saying? And I don't know if you would call Tasha K a rich woman. I believe she got money, but I don't believe she got long legacy inheritance type money. You understand what I'm saying when I say that? Okay. But that's all I got for this video, guys. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.